All right. So, any question to Mr. Azizi?
Okay,
Yeah,
maybe
please.
I'm the first.
Yes.
Okay, I want to know about your future. You are a hunter of scholarship maybe. After you get a scholarship, maybe after you have a doctor, gelar what is it?
Title.
Degree or doctor you have for your degree. I want to know are it success for you, and what you want to do if you have many money you have. What you want to you say you don't want to a car or maybe electronic maybe you don't want to have but what you want to have in your future.
Okay, good, very good question. Let me emphasize you again. So it doesn't mean that I don't really need it for this time. Yeah, for this time I don't need it. So maybe later I will. Yeah. So let me emphasize again. Very good questions. After returning